Hey guys, Monster 50 here, coming out double unboxing with another unboxing for you guys. In fact, this is my second part of double one. First part unboxed 4321. Now I've got Autopsy, which was a blind buy because I have no idea what it's about. It just looks pretty decent. It's £3, so I thought why not. It's one of the people that made the Final Destination series, or the producers of it anyway, so I didn't know that. So see if that's a good thing or a bad thing. Alright, so this one, it's the back. Hopefully this one's not been cut actually, thinking about it. You never know, the BBC cut everything nowadays. Although it didn't cut March, which was a bit of a surprise, because that was actually a pretty shocking film. Oh well. One second. Yeah, so I just have to make a break in this thing, see if it would make it easier to open. Go to the side. But not. There it is. Autopsy. There you go, so that's a quick unboxing of Autopsy on DVD. See you in the next unboxing, which will be, I don't know, one of the things in the post, I guess. So that's pretty much it. Monster 50 signing out.